Do you want a flocked tree but don't have one? Well, that's no problem, because I'm going to show you an easy and cheap way to take an unflocked tree and turn it into a flocked tree. And here's how simple it is. All you need are several unlit flocked garland and a pair of wire cutters, and you're going to take that garland and cut it up into sections that are about 2 to 3 feet long, and then place those sections into the tree. Here, let me show you. Now you're going to take that section and look for what I like to call the shelf of the tree and stick it in. And to do that, you're just going to find that shelf, lift up on the branches above, and then just go ahead and place in. Now you may need to fluff a little bit if you haven't used the garland and fluffed it prior. And then kind of marry it up with the branches of the existing tree as well. And then you just keep going around the tree, trying to avoid looking too uniform all the way around. In the tree, you do want to leave the flocked garland out pretty far on the branches to actually mimic the way snow would hit. The snow would hit at the tips of the branches, not so much on the interior. And now we'll just keep working our way around. In the flocked garland into the rest of the tree, I do like to do it with both the branches above and below. And for reference, this is a 7-foot slimline tree, and on it I use 4 9-foot garland for a total of about 36 feet. One of the other great things about this technique is it is a great way to make your tree look a little fuller, whether it's maybe a little bit sparse or, let's be honest, can a tree ever be too full? Now when you get to a little bit of a bare spot that's not quite big enough for one of your 2 to 3 feet sections, it's great to have just some smaller pieces that you can use to fill in. And so these are just ends that I had previously cut off, and I always just be sure to keep exactly for this reason. Now of course there are other ways to fake a flocked tree, including using flocked picks or the flocking in a can. But I think both of those methods are either more expensive, more trouble, or just plain messy. So I like using the garland. And here's the full look before I've decorated the tree, and it really was that easy. I love how it turned out, but I'd love to know what you think, so please leave me a comment and let me know. And now I'm going to go ahead and finish decorating. I hope you've enjoyed this video or found it useful. If so, it would be great if you could give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you're not already. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a very merry holiday season, and until next time, bye.